Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Heaven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding Alberta's foreign graduate startup visas program. What are the eligibility, how much is the requirement for investment and all of the details. Just to let you know, if you guys are looking for investment that is really low and you want to start up your own business in Alberta and want to become permanent resident later on, so this is the program for you. As the name suggests, foreign graduate startup visa stream eligibility program. So the foreign graduate startup visa program is an economic immigration program that nominate talented and qualified foreign educated graduates from outside Canada for their permanent residency upon starting of their startup enterprises and innovative business within Alberta. You can either start this business in the big cities like Calgary and Edmonton, or you can also go to some of the smaller towns. Whichever uh, town you like it, or whichever business you want to start it up, there are certain dedicated approved agencies who will help and who will give the recommendation letter upon going through whole of your application with the business plan. Once that been approved, then you guys can submit your application. Yes, our agency helped a couple of clients so far with this program, and their successfully application system is going on, and they are already got their work permit, and they are here in Canada launching up their business at this moment. So let's go see what are the eligibility criteria for this program. If you want to start up business within Edmonton or Calgary, you have to have minimum investment of $100,000 or more, that is Canadian. Or if you want to go out of these two big cities and you want to start up in any other regional area, so then you can even start it up this program or your business with $50,000 investment minimum. For the work experience, you must have a minimum of 6 months of full time work experience. That can be a combination of actively managing or owning your own business or equivalent. Education, completion of a degree from a post secondary education within or inside Canada. The degree must have been completed within the last 2 years at the time of expression of interest submission and must be equivalent to Canadian degree. If, like you guys all know, in bachelor's degree here in Canada is considered a 4 year post secondary education. So sometime 3 year post secondary education from outside is not been equivalent. So there has been education credential assessment has to be done. Other than that, a business plan with the projected financial must be there. You must have to present a 10-minute presentation that will outline the proposed business venture and what are the activities for your business, how you will grow, and all other detail. The benchmark for the language ability is not that high. It is only CLB level 7 for each English language skill. So you have a CLB level 7 or more in each, then you are eligible. It could be in French also. Business establishment must have a minimum of 34% of ownership if the business is located in urban area like Calgary or Edmonton, or minimum of 51% of ownership if located outside these two cities. As I discussed the business investment earlier, the mandatory minimum investment for an urban center for Calgary or Edmonton at least 100,000, or with a mandatory minimum investment for any other regional area is $50,000 or more. The more the investment will be, the better the chances are to get more points in expression of interest system. You guys must get the letter of recommendation from ANP approved designated agencies, and you should show that you have the settlement fund while you come here on work permit and the time you are being starting up your visa or your business, and for that time you can support yourself and your family. So these are the main criteria or the eligibility requirements for this visa. So if you guys have any other question or you want to start up your process with us, you can call us on the number in the description below, or you can also set up a one-to-one consultation. Yes, we do charge a fees for the consultation. Yes, for that one you can set it up, and we'll go through your detail whether the business idea is feasible or all other requirements are being met. Then we can go ahead with your application. That was a little update. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.